Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propwire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of single family homes using your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to find a list of single family homes anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know there's no sense in advertising to homes you're just not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of single family homes, first you're going to need to enter in your farming area. So it could be a city, it could be a zip code, it could be a complete county. That depends on the population of the area you're working. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just type in Burbank. Okay, once you type it in, go ahead and click on the area when it appears down here at the bottom. Okay, once you do that, Propwire is going to let you know how many properties they have logged in that area. So you can see there's about 29,000 properties. So to filter these out by single family homes, here on the top, you're going to click on property types and then click on single family homes. Okay, you can see that it dropped it down to about 18,000. So for me personally, that's a huge list. So I would generally go ahead and start filtering this down more depending on what you're looking for. So I'd click here on more. And for me personally, I'll click owner filters. I like to buy from individuals. So I'll click here on individual. Minimum years of ownership. In my experience, if they just bought it within the past 3 years, it's not likely they're going to sell it to me. So I'll click here on minimum years of ownership 3. Also, I'll click here on property filters, and you can go ahead and enter in the bedrooms you're looking for. So let's say maybe we're looking for 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and then on the square footage, let's say we want at least 1,300 square feet. You can also filter out by lot size, when the house was built. So you just add on as many filters as you want and then click on save and close. Okay, you can see that with those filters I added in, it dropped it down to 2,100. So once you have a list size that you're looking for, you can scroll through here. So these ones look pretty expensive. I mean, this is a pretty expensive area. So maybe what you want to do is click here on price and then go ahead and put the maximum price. So let's say we don't want anything to show that's more than 1.5. Okay, now it dropped it down to 400 results. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of single family homes using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.